My name is Pauline Wanene. I've been coming to the Chiropractic and Physiotherapy Center for a year now. And what led me to starting to come for sessions early in 2024 was I had begun my fitness journey, if I may call it, late 2022. So at this point, I had been exercising not too consistently for about a year. We had our annual fitness tests at work. One of the things I was called out was my flexibility and just a bit of mobility issues, especially in my upper body. And that was the previous year, 2023, in around October. So beginning 2024, I think it must have been part of my New Year's resolutions just to try and see what it is I could do differently for my health. So I consulted around. I actually happened to be talking to a colleague of mine, and he mentioned that he comes to the physiotherapy center at the Westlands branch. So he sent me the contacts, and I was able to set up an appointment in the first session. I think what gave me some confidence is the fact that there's a test you do when you come in on the first day, and whatever it is that the physiotherapist told me on that day correlated with exactly what I had been told. So I also felt like there was a bit of, okay, they've gotten the problem that I'm here to fix. So I started my sessions at that point in time, and what I noticed is, so initially it was a bit intensive, then I went just reducing the frequency. And what I need to point out is, when I say I started my fitness journey in 2022, I have been sedentary all my life. I've not been an athlete. I've not consistently exercised. I don't move. My body was what I would always describe as tight or a bit heavy. Sometime in 2019, I had a persistent knee pain on my right leg, and basically all these things just made me realize that my body was not operating the way it's supposed to be operating. And so when I took the recommendation to do this session seriously, I knew that it was going to be important. And I think out of the 1 year that I exercised in 2023, I noticed, the pains and my fear. Actually, my biggest fear has always been to get injured, because I know as you get older, injuries then become a bit more serious in terms of your recovery time. And then I'm already on this journey of getting fit. So do I really want to get hurt? And now I can't exercise anymore. So what I noticed is, as I did the sessions, the movements in the gym became easier. And I was able to increase they call it range of motion. I was able to increase my range of motion for most of the movements. And therefore it was sort of like, it was feeding into another area of my life that I was really keen on doing very well. So as I progressed in the kind of movements I would do in the gym, I realized, oh wait, this is actually a very good support system for my gym life, because my recovery was faster, the movements I could do were more, and it sort of fueled me to keep working and to especially keep my appointments. So it's been a very, very important journey for me, because I've also come to understand how my body works, so that when I'm having my session done, I engage the therapist in terms of what it is I'm feeling in my body. And the most interesting thing I think happened this year, if I'm not wrong, I went in for a session at the Ridgeways branch, and as she was working on my neck, she asked me if I was getting headaches. And it was, I think, on a Friday, and that whole week from Monday, I was having migraines every evening. And again, it was interesting to see that the things I was feeling, she could actually tell during the session, and after the therapy that day, the migraines disappeared. It's something that I have recommended to my son. So my son is a power lifter, and he's also started coming in for some sessions, and just trying to educate him on, you need support, you need to condition your body, and the therapy helps. working out is good, but what people don't appreciate is that it's actually a stressor on the body. And therapy, the physiotherapy actually helps you then to condition the body and help relieve the stress and help your body recover, so that your muscles, one, they can recover, they can grow, and they can function as optimally as they're expected to operate. I don't think I can speak about physiotherapy enough, whether it's with the people at the gym. Now I'm a CrossFitter. I've been doing CrossFit for almost a year. And anytime, someone would mention something, and a few times I've gone like, physiotherapy is a bit painful, let me go in for a massage. And I always feel robbed because what I pay for the massage and what I get out of it, vis-a-vis what I get out of coming in for a physiotherapy session at day and night. And therefore I try to encourage people to take care of their bodies. And even as I get older, because like I said, I've never exercised. I will not say how old I am, but I am old enough to be chunguliaring perimenopause. And one of the things I have I've been learning is that muscle health, mobility are very important as women age, and how well their bodies are able to handle menopause. And so I'm also encouraged in that aspect, just knowing that I'm on the right track in terms of taking care of my old age. There's actually a meme I've seen recently that says, I'm not working for my summer body or for my beach body, I'm working for my old lady body. And that encourages me to just imagine that I can be 50, I can be 60, I'm strong, I can carry my shopping, I can go up the stairs without heaving, I can stand without holding the chair, and stuff like that. So I think in conclusion, I'll repeat what I've already said. These bodies are all you have to carry you through life. So however many years you get to live, this is the vessel that you get to exist in, and taking care of it cannot be overemphasized. And I think someone said recently that you have many problems until you have a health problem. And once you have a health problem, you only have one problem. Thank you.